Get ready to be amazed by these tiny yet powerful birds as we dive into their fascinating world. Welcome our Animals TV episode featuring one of the nature's most incredible creature, the hummingbird. Hummingbirds are known for their stunning beauty, incredible speed, and unique abilities. With over 300 species, these tiny birds are found throughout the Americas from Alaska to Terra del Fuego. Their names comes from the humming sound their wings produce as they beat up to 80 times per second. These birds are small, often measuring just 3 to 5 inches in length, but their vibrant plumage makes them stand out. Their features can shimmer in iridescent color, including green, blue, and red. Hummingbirds get their name from the humming sound their wings produce as they beat up to 80 times per second, creating a humming sound that gives them their name. Hummingbirds are the only bird that can fly backward thanks to their unique wings structure. They can also hover in place while they feed on nectar from flower. Their long specialized bills and extendable tongues allow them to reach deep into blossom, making them excellent pollinators. They have remarkable agility to speed, allowing them to dart quickly from the flower to flower. Some species can even fly in speeds of up to 60 miles per hour during courtship displays. These incredible birds have a high metabolism and need to eat frequently to fuel their energy-intensive lifestyle. In addition to nectar, they consume insect and spider for protein. On average, a hummingbird visits 1,000 to 2,000 flowers per day. Their diet is essential for their survival and helps them to maintain their rapid movements and high energy levels. Hummingbirds have a unique way of feeding using their long tongues to lap up the nectar from flower. Many hummingbird species migrate long distance, some traveling up to 2,000 miles from their breeding grounds to their wintering habitats. The ruby-throated hummingbirds, for example, migrates from North America to Central America, a journey that includes a non-stop flight over the Gulf of Mexico. These migratory journeys are remarkable feats of endurance and navigation, showcasing the incredible strength and resilience of hummingbird. Despite their incredible abilities, hummingbirds face threat from habitat loss, climate change, and predator. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these amazing birds and their habitats. Planting native flowering plants, maintaining feathers, and supporting conservation organizations are some ways we can help. By creating hummingbird-friendly environments, we can ensure that these beautiful creatures continue to thrive. Here are some fun facts about hummingbirds that have largest brain to the body ratio of any birds, and their hearts can beat up to 1,200 times per minute during flight. They are true marvels of nature. Hummingbird can also see ultraviolet light, which help them locate nectar-rich flower. Another fascinating fact is that they enter a state of torpor at night to conserve energy, slowing their metabolism dramatically. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of hummingbirds. We hope you enjoy learning about these fascinating birds and their incredible abilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Animals TV for more amazing wildlife content.